Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig video. In today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring CurlyMe collection hair. Shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video. So now let's get into this wig. So today I have a 30-inch 13x4 250 density water wave unit. This wig is so bomb, y'all. So she's 30 inches. That's just what we're going to start with. And she's a full 30 inches. She's 250 density, so it is very, very full. This is a lot of hair. You got to be willing to wear a lot of hair to wear this wig. So you can purchase this in inches from 8 to 30. So if you like the curl pattern, but you don't care for the length, you can always get it in a shorter length. They also have different densities. So you can get this in 180 if you prefer. So they have different textures or grades. Like this one is considered their Mongolian water wave, so you can filter through the website and pick whichever you choose. This is an HD lace frontal, which has the skin melt Swiss lace, so melting this lace was not an issue at all. I did want to incorporate this new product that I purchased. I recently purchased this even tinted lace mousse. I got two colors. I have a light warm brown and I have a medium brown. I tried both prior to this video and I prefer the medium brown for my skin tone. It's a little dark, but I feel like the other one is a little too orange, if that makes sense. So I prefer that color. This mousse is perfect for melting your lace while molding your baby hairs, and I really wanted to go in with the baby hairs on this wig, so that's what we did. So if you want to see how I incorporated this new product into this bomb install, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. As far as this hair, I did bleach the knots. I customized it before I came to you. I didn't want to pluck too much. I'm not a fan of over plucked wigs. Not only that, if it's a wig that you plan on having for a long time, you don't want to over pluck the lace because it'll be bald in no time and then you have to get another wig. So I did some customization prior to this install. So when I styled it again in this video, I used water and I used a little bit of wrap lotion. I didn't have any mousse for hair, so I used the wrap lotion. That did the job, but I do suggest, like, for a pretty texture like this, you could even go without product, because when I first come to you, this is the natural look. That's how it air dried. But I wanted a little tamer, like something a little sleek to go with the baby hair, so that's why I put products. This is my first time collaborating with CurlyMe, so definitely do your research, check out some of their other videos. They have quite a few videos, especially on their curly hair, hence the name. But so far, I'm in love. This is definitely an addition to the collection. For one, this wave pattern is perfect for everything, and two, she's 30 inches. So another thing I did different was I did a side part. Y'all know I love a center part. I always do center parts, but lately I've been giving you both. So for this, we went with a side part. Real cute. Once again, shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video. All the links will be down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Didn't know that love would change ya. Then I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that you and I was now debating. I wish I for conversation. Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. on my knee, all this big gifts. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash to the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Just on the team, and they clip up like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to these rats. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shit's for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it is.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. The checks on the streets, they number foes. Sand on my feet, put it on toes. Take it with me, double your dose. Covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows. I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold. Nothing but fire, man. She hopped in drove.
Hands on my knee, all this big gifts. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash to the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. She not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat her flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
Text me, really flip up like I Uber to Jesse. VS is on me, got my Louis shirt wet. Said him in my bag and get used to these racks.
With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shit's for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss man, I keep catching the dance. Know the cool fast when they in with it is.
The flame on the island, your couch gonna hop on a Learjet. Got powders every color, I got CCs you ain't seen yet. And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. 4-4 while my nigga throw it up. If bitch, I'm out to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. Got no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This man left on with a 32 man for real. Yeah, nigga, that nigga keep we be together.